I used to mention tip number 3, selling on social media, in the latest video on this channel. But there are tons of platforms we can sell our products there. So which one we should go for and how to grow business on it? It's Minnie from Cây Hair Factory Vietnam. So I will answer all these questions in this video today. Okay, so as you can see at the title of this video, I chose Instagram as a platform I recommend for all of you guys to have your products on it. Maybe some of you can wonder whether I chose one of the social media platforms randomly, but the answer is no. I love numbers and data, so all things I've been searching for have proof. According to Instacart, among platforms which have the most influence on shopping habits, Instagram accounts for the biggest percentage of 51%. Moreover, 72% of Instagram users report making purchase decisions based on something that they saw on the sites. So these numbers are enough to show us that Instagram is a powerful tool for supporting the business, no doubt at all. Alright, so I will give you some tips to improve your business account and catch more attention from your customers on Instagram. So let's go. Tip number 1, optimize your bio. Your Instagram bio is a small section on your profile page that lets you tell the world that you're all about. It's also the first thing that people see when visiting your profile. There are a few core things that your bio needs to do. Firstly, clearly define your value proposition. It's about what your business products or services are and how they are unique. You also can add some icons to make it more attractive and not boring. Secondly, include a clear call to action. It will encourage users to take an action like visiting your site to purchase or contacting to get a promotion. Tip number 2, find your visual aesthetic. On Instagram, it's all about visuals. So think about what aesthetic you want to present on your business page and keep a constant look with it. For example, Shine with Natasha. She keeps bright yellow and white colors along with a standard font across Instagram posts. Tip number 3, post constantly. Sticking to a regular posting schedule helps you show up in your target audience timelines. You also need to divide posts into some topics such as hair, feedback, haircut tips, etc. Not only post introducing your hair. Make a weekly posting schedule, keep track, and ensure that you follow it. You also need to post at the perfect time to maximize the amount of interaction on Instagram. And these are some periods of time you should go for. Last but not least, don't forget to use hashtag to reach new customers. Okay, so some keywords for this tip: post constantly, at perfect time, and use hashtag. Tip number 4, experiment with different content types. Instagram is so much more than photos. There are now a huge range of content types on the platform, including video, reels, stories, IGTV, and live stream. Each type of content has advantages and everyone has their own preferences on Instagram. Some people love reels, however, others don't use the feed and only check stories. So if you want to maximize your reach and engagement, the best strategy is to use a variety of content types. Tip number 5, analyze the results. One of the best Instagram for business tips is to dig into your Instagram analytics regularly. If you want to gain more followers, keep your audience engaged, and promote your business on Instagram, you have to monitor how your content performs. Keep in mind that metrics only matter if they tell you something valuable. So when analyzing results, you have to put them into the context of what you hope to achieve. So these are 5 tips for you to promote your business online. I know I can't tell in detail at one tip today, so if you have any questions about Instagram business account, feel free to text me via WhatsApp number. I will also put it right here for all of you guys. And don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to our channel to see more useful videos every week. If you want me to tell more about any topics, leave it in the comment section below and I will read them all. Thanks for watching my video today. It's Minnie from Khen Factory Vietnam. Bye!